everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a magical story that will change the way you see numbers forever. Get set for an exciting adventure. In the enchanting kingdom of Numeria, ruled by the wise king and Agar, lived all the whole numbers. There was 1, the brave leader; 2, the friendly companion; 3, the cheerful artist, and so on. They lived happily, but they had one big problem. They didn't know how to share things fairly. One day, King Integer baked a magnificent, giant cookie for the kingdom. It was perfectly round and smelled delicious. But when the numbers gathered, they didn't know how to split it. 1 wanted the whole thing. 2 suggested breaking it, but the pieces were all different sizes. The numbers started arguing, and the kingdom fell into chaos. Seeing the discord, King Integer called upon the royal wizard, a mysterious figure known as the Nominator. The wizard held up his crystal staff and declared, "To bring balance, we must learn to divide equally." He tapped the giant cookie with his staff. Zap! It split into 2 perfectly equal pieces. Each piece, he announced, is 1/2 of the whole, and just like that, the first fraction was born. 1/2. The numbers were amazed. The wizard then tapped the cookie again. Poof! It split into 3 equal pieces. "Now we have thirds," he explained. He continued, showing them fourths, fifths, and tenths. He taught them that the number on the bottom, the denominator, shows how many equal parts something is divided into. The number on the top, the numerator, shows how many of those parts you have. The numbers of Numeria finally understood. They learned that sharing wasn't about getting less. It was about creating harmony. They started dividing everything fairly, from pies to plots of land. They discovered that fractions weren't just math. They were a way of life, teaching fairness, balance, and cooperation. The kingdom became more peaceful and prosperous than ever before. So, remember the story of Numeria the next time you see a fraction. It's a reminder that dividing things equally doesn't just solve a math problem. It brings people together and makes the world a better, more balanced place. I hope you enjoyed this little math tale. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more stories, and share this video with someone who might need a little magic in their math. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.